Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 2 to the power of x plus 1. This is equal to 3 to the power of x. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. So we have 2 to the power of x plus 1. This is equal to 3 raised to the power of x. Now 2 to the power of x plus 1, this is of the form a to the power of n plus m, which we can express as a to the power of n multiplied by a to the power of m. Now, applying this exponent property, this follows that here we have 2 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of 1. This is equal to 3 raised to the power of x. Now, the next step is to divide on both sides by 2 to the power of x. Here we have 2 raised to the power of x. Now let's simplify 2 to the power of x here, so that now we have that 2, this is equal to 3 raised to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x, which you can write as 3 to the power of x over 2 to the power of x. This is equal to 2. Now we have that 3 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x. This is in the form of a raised to the power of n divided by b to the power of n, which we can express as a divided by b raised to the power of n. Now applying this property, this means that we have 3 over 2 raised to the power of x. This is equal to 2. The next step is that to solve for the value of x here, let's introduce logarithm on both sides. We have log 3 over 2 raised to the power of x. This is equal to log 2. This is equal to log 2. So introduce logarithm on both sides. So this is the same thing as log 3 over 2. This is the same thing as 1.5 raised to the power of x. This is equal to log 2. Now we have that log 1.5 to the power of x. This is equal to log 2. This is in the form of log a raised to the power of b, which we can express as b log a. Now this implies that here we have x log 1.5. This is equal to log 2. Now let's divide both sides by log 1.5. Also here we have log 1.5. So let's simplify here, so that now we have x is equal to log 2 divided by log 1.5. Now we have that log 2 over log 1.5. This is of the form log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Applying this logarithm property, this implies that x is equal to, this is log 2 to base 1.5. And this means that x is equal to, now this is the same thing as 1.70951. So x is approximately equal to 1.70951. So this is the value of x. The next step is to verify. Let's check if this value of x here satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we have that 2 raised to the power of x plus 1. This is supposed to give us a value of 3 raised to the power of x. So let's substitute the value of x. So this means we have 2 raised to the power of 1.70951 plus 1. This is supposed to give us a value of 3 raised to the power of 1.70951. So this implies that we have 2 raised to the power of 1.70951 plus 1. This is 2.70951. This should give us a value of 3 raised to the power of 1.70951. Now, we have that 2 raised to the power of 2.70951. This is the same thing as 6.54099, and this should be equal to 3 to the power of 1.70951, and this is equal to 6.54099. So you find that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this proves that the value of x here, which is 1.70951, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps. Like this video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe.